Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can connect domain to Shopify. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Shopify. Make sure that your account is logged in. After logging in, you will be redirected to the home page of your account. Now head over to account settings located at bottom left corner of your screen. In settings, go to domains and select connect an existing domain. After that, open your domain host in a new tab and log in using your account. Now copy your domain and paste it in the required box. Now go back to the hosting website, click on Manage beside your current domain, and click on Change Embed beside name server. Scroll down inside it, in the DNS server list, add the following sections and keep TTL as default. After adding them, go back to Shopify and click on Verify Connection. Since my DNS servers were previously connected to another website, they will be updated in 24 hours. But in your case, the verification process will be completed and your domain will get connected. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.